Hi friends, today we are making quick Moroccan oven-baked kefta with eggs, a cozy ground beef dinner with bold spices, bubbling tomato sauce, and soft-baked eggs. It serves 4 and takes about 35 minutes from start to finish, so it is perfect when you want something deeply flavorful without a long cooking session. Let's walk through the ingredients first. 1 pound ground beef is the heart of these kefta meatballs, and a slightly fattier blend will stay juicy in the oven. 1 small yellow onion, grated, melts into the beef and keeps the meatballs tender instead of chunky. 3 cloves garlic, minced, season the tomato sauce with a warm savory base. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, divided, brings that bright Moroccan herb flavor into the meatballs and then finishes the dish. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, divided, adds freshness and balances the richness of the beef and eggs. 1 teaspoon ground cumin, divided, gives the kefta its earthy Moroccan backbone. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, divided, deepens the color of the sauce and adds a gentle peppery warmth. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, divided, adds a subtle warmth that works beautifully with tomato and beef. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon gives just a quiet sweet spice note, not enough to make the dish taste sweet. 1 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, seasons both the meatballs and the tomato sauce evenly. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, divided, gives a clean savory bite without overpowering the spices. 2 tablespoons olive oil, divided, help the sauce bake glossy and help the meatballs brown lightly on top. 1 15-ounce can crushed tomatoes makes a quick sauce that still turns rich and jammy in the oven. 1 tablespoon tomato paste concentrates the sauce and gives it that slow-cooked depth in a short time. For large eggs, bake right into the sauce at the end, turning this into a complete and comforting meal. We begin the preparation by heating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and setting a rack in the middle, so the sauce bubbles evenly and the meatballs cook through quickly. Now that the oven is heating, build the sauce right in the skillet. Stir together 1 15-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the kefta, combine 1 pound ground beef, 1 grated small yellow onion, 2 tablespoons cilantro, 2 tablespoons parsley, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper in a bowl. Mix gently just until the herbs and spices are evenly distributed. Try not to overwork the beef, because a light touch keeps the meatballs tender. Shape the mixture into 16 small meatballs, each about the size of a walnut, so they bake quickly and stay easy to serve with the eggs. Now nestle the 16 meatballs into the tomato sauce, leaving a little space between them so the heat can reach every side. Drizzle the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil over the meatballs and sauce. This helps the top catch a little color while everything bakes. Bake the skillet uncovered for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, until the sauce is bubbling and the tops of the meatballs are beginning to brown. After 15 minutes, carefully turn the meatballs and spoon some sauce over them. Return the skillet to the oven for 5 more minutes, which finishes the browning and thickens the sauce. Once the meatballs have had those extra 5 minutes, take the skillet out and make 4 small wells in the sauce between the meatballs. Crack 1 large egg into each well. Keep the yolks intact if you can, because they make the finished dish look beautiful and taste rich. Return the skillet to the oven and bake for 6 to 8 minutes, just until the egg whites are set and the meatballs are cooked through. For firmer yolks, leave it in for about 2 minutes longer. To close the cooking, let the skillet rest for 5 minutes so the sauce settles and the eggs finish gently. Sprinkle with the remaining 2 tablespoons cilantro and the remaining 2 tablespoons parsley right before serving. And there it is, quick Moroccan oven-baked kefta with eggs, rich, saucy, warmly spiced, and ready in about 35 minutes just like promised. Serve it hot, spooning plenty of tomato sauce over each portion. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy dinners.